Hello, today we're diving into a new Instagram feature called Quiet Mode, designed to give you some respite from notifications during specific hours. If you're tired of being constantly pinged by Instagram but don't want the hassle of manually managing your notifications every day, let's get you set up. First things first, open up your Instagram app on your smartphone. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture to access your profile settings. Now, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the three lines. From there, navigate to Settings and tap on it. Now, scroll down until you find Notifications and give it a tap. Right below the Pause All button, you'll see the gem we're after, Quiet Mode. Click on it to open the settings. Here, you'll find the option to enable Quiet Mode. It's worth noting that by default, Quiet Mode will kick in from 11 p.m. in the evening until 7 a.m. in the morning, silencing those Instagram notifications for you. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and until next time, happy scrolling.